Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I am making this video because I want to tell you guys that I'm literally so happy that I made about $250+ in just a day by doing some simple tasks. So I wanted to share this thing with you and I'm making this video. So let's get into this. So the website, that is urbansurmoney.com. Trust me guys, this website is really legit and provides you real money. But before getting into this website, I would like to say that I searched upon the internet about making money online and I saw a lot of videos here. Trust me guys, I have tried all of these videos and none of these work. They are just fake and don't provide you any kind of money. So the website I found out was urbansurmoney.com, and trust me guys, I made $250+ in just a day, and it is very simple. You have to just do simple task and you will rewarded with a lot of money. So signing up is very simple right here. You have to just enter your email, username and password and just click on the sign up button, and that's it. You are good to go. You have to do nothing and just sign up very easily. So I'll just log in and show you how I made money and show you my payment proof and also my PayPal wallet. So if you want to see that, you have to stay tuned till the end of this video. So let's log in. So you can see I have done my username and password. So I'll just sign in. So you can see here I have earned about $266 and that is huge in just a day. Okay. So you can see my points balance is 21 points. Now remember, 1 point equal to $1. You can see here. So first just talk about my payment proof. So I'll show you how I withdraw my money. So you can see here I just withdrawed through PayPal, and that to 271 points. Now after deducting a fee of 5%, you can see my balance, that is 257.45, and the action is paid. Now you might be thinking, where did this money go? Yes guys, this money went into my PayPal account and was literally happy after seeing that money, because who doesn't like to get money after doing just simple tasks and earning just in one a day? So you can see my PayPal balance. Trust me guys, this is real PayPal balance, 257.45 that I got from this website. You can see here I got 257.45 and my PayPal balance is 257.45. So I was literally happy after watching this. So I'll just tell you how I made money. So as you can see on this website, there is the Earn tab where you have to click upon and you will be redirected to a page where you can see a lot of ads that help you in getting money, and with which upon clicking you can get money. So these are the simple tasks. You have to do this simple task and they are really easy and really simple, so that you can earn money in just a matter of time. You can also promote through your referral link. So after you share your referral link, this is my referral link. After you share your referral link, you will get 10% points for each referral your referral completes any offer or something like that. You will get bonus 25 points just for referring them, and these earnings are just unlimited. There is no limit to this earning. So you can just promote through like that. You can also play games. You can get daily bonus and lottery. So you can just participate in the lottery and win a lot of cash prizes. And here is the option to redeem. You can redeem your money through PayPal or in Bitcoins also. So it is possible to get your money into your account in the form of Bitcoins or in the form of PayPal. That depends all upon you, how you want your money to be. So guys, trust me, this website really works. Check this website out, urbansurmoney.com. Bye.